Jatend migepe Musalia Mudavadi mabende hotelne migao mar weche mar pinje maoko kata foreign affairs oromo ko jatend migao mar weche maoko mar piny Netherlands matwak yore mag bero winjruok e kinda pinje ariyogo matimore odiochieng' achiel tok jatend piny William Ruto rwako kingi mar piny Netherlands kaachiel kod minode e pacho ka kendo chuoyo kogno e ogirimiti maigeno ibiro bero chenro mag ohala limbe kod pur e kind piny Kenya kod Netherlands. Gesani nyakorom Gajuang atende achiel kachiel awinje twak mabende hitayo kanyo jatend migepe Musalia Mudavadi.
Second largest export destination in Europe and the first in the EU. In 2023 alone, our exports to the Netherlands were valued at over 75 billion Kenya shillings. Additionally, in our discussions today, we have agreed to leverage the Kenya-EU Economic Partnership Agreement to support Kenya exporters to access the EU market and expand trade with the Netherlands. Notably, we held the political consultations. As we held the political consultations, Their Majesties, the King and Queen, are in Naivasha to visit the inland container terminal and some flower farms. This visit to Naivasha will showcase our partnership with the Netherlands in revolutionizing the transport of flowers and other horticultural products right from the farm, on land and by sea freight to overseas markets through the Cool Logistics Corridor project currently being undertaken by the two countries. Accordingly, in today's political consultations, we have agreed to accelerate our efforts to leverage Dutch technology and innovation to enhance the production and export of horticultural products from Kenya to the European market. At the multilateral level, we have agreed to cooperate in advocating for increased and fair development financing for developing countries. We also reiterate our shared and unequivocal commitment to a rules-based international and multilateral system and the principles enshrined in the Charter of the United Nations, including respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity and the protection of human rights as cornerstones of peaceful coexistence between the countries. We also noted that the concurrent membership of Kenya and the Netherlands in the Human Rights Council presents an excellent opportunity for the two countries to collaborate at the multilateral level to promote respect and protection of human rights globally. In environmental conservation and climate action, we appreciate the Netherlands' support to climate change adaptation projects in Kenya under the Financing Locally Led Climate Action program being implemented in Marsabit, Isiolo, and Garissa counties. We have also agreed to scale up our efforts to reduce greenhouse gases, emissions, and strengthen resilience and adaptive capacity by prioritizing green growth and advocating for a more reformed and inclusive global climate financing framework. We have also agreed to expand collaboration in water infrastructure, renewable energy, and climate-smart agriculture. Our meeting today is taking place at the backdrop of a myriad of conflicts in our respective regions and globally, and a multilateral system and global order that is paralyzed by inaction and prioritization of power politics at the expense of global peace. We have therefore shared views on the conflicts in our region and in Europe and agreed to enhance our partnership in peace building. I reaffirmed Kenya's unwavering commitment to promoting conflict prevention, resolution, and stabilization efforts both within the region and globally. I would like to make it clear that Kenya is non-partisan in any of the conflicts in the region. Instead, due to our democratic space and freedom of media, many groups have found Nairobi as a place to communicate. Kenya is committed to finding long-lasting peace and security solutions in the region and welcomes recent developments, including the ongoing EAC SADC process. As I conclude, I take this opportunity to thank His Excellency Caspar Weldekamp for the fruitful engagement and measurable milestones we have achieved today. Both sides recognize the tremendous opportunities our relations present to the mutual benefit of our countries. I reaffirm Kenya's commitment to deepen and broaden our relations with the Netherlands and look forward to many engagements in the future. Lastly, it is now my pleasure